Make your Upwork cover letters irresistible using 5 simple rules from the Adweek Copywriting Handbook author Joe Sugarman. Those who follow my channel know that I'm learning and featuring only real practitioners, and Joe easily fell into this category as one of the greatest copywriters of our times. Among his craziest achievements, the client couldn't sell his plane for $190,000. Joe sold it for $240,000 in 10 days. He sold a $6 million mansion through direct mail. Who would buy sunglasses through the mail without trying it on? He sold 20 million blue blocker sunglasses of the same style through both direct mail and infomercials. He assembled great experience from running his direct mail company, GS&A, and more than 20 years of running seminars for copywriters. He revealed all these hard-earned secrets in the Adweek Copywriting Handbook that was released in 2006. And this is the best guide for writing sales copy that I have ever read. So I read a 346-page book to extract 5 lessons you can apply today and instantly improve your Upwork cover letter. So let's dive in. Rule number 1. Never sell a product or service, always sell a concept. It's great that you are passionate about the service you provide. You might adore the website or app that come out from your lab, but clients don't actually care. You should always try to find the bigger idea about your service. Like Nike never mentions sneakers or sportswear, but rather sells you the idea of being part of an athletic cult. Or Tesla, which sells you a membership in the group of people who appreciate cutting-edge technology and care about the environment by using clean, renewable electric energy. It's hard to craft such a compelling idea, but I can try. Since I'm providing video editing services and content strategy for YouTube, I'm trying to sell the benefits of having a successful channel. So here is my example. Some of my clients have got not obvious benefits of running a business YouTube channel. A couple of them were invited to speak at a niche conference. Also, they noticed that it enhanced the employer brand, so they could hire better talents. The next rule wasn't obvious to me. Rule number 2. Sell a cure, not a prevention. Don't try to appeal to the problems that might happen with your client. No one is interested in preventing something from happening since there is no urgency. Once the problem occurs, you have a chance to sell the cure. So always try to find the angle to position your service as a solution that can fix clients' pain. Between selling the pill that prevents gaining weight and the pill that helps lose weight, always choose the latest. So how can we use this rule in our cover letter? Here is my example. Your videos don't get views? Let's fix that. By applying the best practices of YouTube SEO to your channel, we will make your old videos searchable using relevant keywords. And all the new videos will be structured to answer the hottest inquiries in the niche. This approach will make your videos work for you and bring new viewers for years to come. Let's go to the next one. It's my favorite. Rule number 3. Every great ad is based on emotion. We buy on emotion and justify it with logic. In the book, Joe gives a great example. When a person buys a Mercedes, the main reason isn't the technical superiority of the car, but rather the emotional desire to virtue signal about your status. Mercedes marketers know that. That's why in their ads the focus is always on luxury and style. If you want to sell anything expensive, try to appeal to the emotions of the customer. There is always deep inside an emotion when the problem needs to be solved. You just need to find the right angle. So here is my example. You might feel that you invest time, money and energy but get little outcome. The problem is that the difference between successful and unsuccessful videos sometimes is a tiny change. We edited hundreds of videos and analyzed thousands to understand best practices and get this specific knowledge. Let us apply our experience and knowledge and multiply your efforts in growing the channel. Rule number 4. Ensure the order of the cover letter has a logical sequence. You must organize the information you want to deliver to the prospect by creating a seamless flow. By the Joe Sugarman method, he starts by creating interest and excitement about the product. Then he describes the uniqueness of the product, After that, he answers all the questions and the objections potential customers might have, including the justify the price, justify the purchase, and all the others, all the way down to the call to action. In his case, most of the time was place an order. Now I structure my cover letter by the same principle. I start with a strong first line that promises to deliver outstanding results. Then I describe my experience and case studies, give the links to my portfolio and share feedback. After that, a bit about the uniqueness of my methods and how this approach led to great results for my clients. And then I end with the CTA to book a call with me. Oh, I almost forgot that I need to spice it up with the details that are well described in the following rule. Rule number 5. Leave the seeds of curiosity. A short but wildly effective move is to offer the potential client some reason to contact you for more information. Of course, you don't have to be manipulative if you have nothing to offer. But here are a couple of examples I use all the time. I have worked with a couple of other YouTube channels in the real estate niche and researched the market and competitors throughout the United States. If you're interested, I can send over more details. Or another, I see that you go all in the short-form content, but we have recently switched the strategy for one of my clients from a similar niche to educational long-form 50% and short-form 50%. Showing much better result. If you're interested, let's schedule a call and I will share with you more. These rules helped Joe sell products for many millions of dollars. Now they are serving to elevate my sales copy, and hope you can also adopt them and make your Upwork cover letters irresistible. If you want to get more guides like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Tell me in the comments with what part of the game you have the biggest problems. Communication with clients, sales, or maybe something else? Go watch the episode about the introduction video. I think this is a game changer for freelancers.